Nature of God's Mercy, Part 2. God delights in mercy. Verse, He does not retain His anger forever, because He delights in steadfast love. Micah 7:18. Unlike people who may forgive grudgingly, God delights in showing mercy. Mercy is not something He offers reluctantly or with hesitation. It is His joy to forgive, restore, and embrace His children. Think about that. The Creator of the universe actually enjoys giving mercy. This truth frees us from shame. Often we imagine God as angry, waiting to punish. But Scripture reminds us He doesn't cling to anger. Instead, He pours out love. Mercy is His nature, not an exception. When we understand this, we can stop running from Him when we fall. Instead, we can run to Him, knowing He delights in forgiving us. And just as He delights in showing us mercy, He invites us to find joy in showing mercy to others. Prayer. Father, thank You for delighting in mercy. Teach me to delight in extending that same mercy to those around me. Yours favorite preacher, Reverend Gershon DABEY'S TV.